In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change playback speed on any online video. Whether you're trying to slow down a tutorial to catch every detail or speed through content to save time, adjusting playback speed is a simple tweak that makes a big difference. First, head to the video you want to watch, open it, and press play. Starting the video ensures the controls are active and ready to use. If you're on a computer, move your mouse over the video so the controls appear. On a phone or tablet, a quick tap on the screen usually brings them up. Next, look for the settings icon on the video player. It's typically a small gear symbol, and it sits on or near the video controls. Click or tap that gear to open the settings menu. If you don't see it right away, make sure the video isn't in a minimized or thumbnail view, and that the controls are visible. Most modern players show this option while the video is playing or paused. In the settings menu, find and select Playback Speed. This is the option that controls how fast or slow the video runs. When you open it, you'll see several speed choices, usually ranging from 0.25x all the way up to 2x. The number indicates the fraction or multiple of the original speed. For example, 0.5x is half speed, perfect for slowing down demonstrations, on-screen text, or complex explanations. At 2x, you're watching at double speed, which is great for trimming long lectures or skipping through content you already understand. Choose the speed that fits your goal. If you're new to this, try small changes at first, maybe 0.75x for a slight slowdown, or 1.25x for a mild speed up, so it still feels natural. You can always come back and adjust it again if the pace feels too fast or too slow. Don't worry about the audio sounding odd. Most video players keep voices clear and understandable even when speeds change. A quick tip: slower speeds shine when you're following along with tutorials, coding walkthroughs, cooking instructions, or language learning. Faster speeds are best for review sessions, news updates, and content where you mainly need the key points. That's all there is to it. Open the video and play it. Click the gear icon to access settings, select playback speed, and pick anything from 0.25x to 2x. Make it a habit to adjust the speed at the start of each video, and you'll watch more efficiently without missing what matters.